So the HONOR 100 Pro boasts a sleek design with modern purple and a butterfly blue wagon leather spacing along with moonshadow white and a glossy black option. Its demonstrator camera model features a regular elliptical shape ensuring a highly recognizable aesthetic. So the back cover of the Honor 100 Pro is divided by an S-shaped natural cover creating a striking contrast with glass and rattan pattern embossed leather. The device houses Sony IMX906, a 12 megapixel 112-degree ultra wide-angle macro lens and a 32 megapixel 50x telephoto optical image stabilization lens with OIS support. Reports indicate that the Honor 100 Pro employ optical bokeh principles from DSL camera, driving a progress bokeh effect for closer portrait, enhancing natural character highlight and overall atmospheric quality. So this phone comes with Sony 50 megapixel IMX816 DSLR grade portrait front camera with portrait engine capability including facial golden ratio tuning and a 4D natural 3-dimensional beauty, making it a standout for photography. The maximum zoom is 50x. On the display front, the Honor 100 Pro features a 6.78 inches streaming curved cover screen with a resolution of 2700x1224 pixels, sporting 120 Hz refresh rate, 1.07 billion color, 10-bit color there. Notably, it supports 3840 as an ultra high frequency PWM zero risk dimming, providing natural light like eye protection and a sleep hiding display technology. Under the hood, the device is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip and a Honor development RF enhancement chip C1, significantly improves cellular communication capability. With the 5000 mAh battery, it's for 100 watt super fast charging and 66 watt wireless fast charging. To prevent the phone from overheating, Honor put a basic cooling solution with the 4674SQ.MM. So the total area in only a 0.35 mm thin component, which is 30% lighter than standard copper VC. So rest of the spaces are the same as the non-Pro. Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, C1 chip for better RF and a Magic OS 7.2, NFC, a lightning motor, stereo radio speaker. So the prices begin from 3399 yuan for 12GB to 5GB.